In modern production lines, efficient, safe, and intelligent equipment is the goal of every enterprise. Our phone box sealing machine features a fully enclosed safety guard designed to ensure the complete protection of operators. The equipment is equipped with a user-friendly touch screen with a simple and intuitive interface, allowing for effortless operation with a single tap. Users can select 4 different modes with one touch to meet various sealing needs, including automatic size adjustment mode. Automatic size adjustment mode automatically detects box dimensions and adjusts quickly to accommodate phone boxes of various sizes. Fixed size mode, designed for batch production of boxes with the same dimensions, ensuring precise and consistent sealing every time. Double tape wrapping mode provides additional sealing strength, ideal for reinforcing boxes that require extra support. Full sealing mode ensures complete box closure, providing maximum safety and protection during transportation. The machine utilizes a fully servo-controlled motor system, significantly enhancing speed and stability compared to traditional sealing machines. The precise control of the servo motor not only boosts sealing efficiency but also reduces mechanical wear, prolonging the equipment's lifespan. Whether operating at high speeds or for extended periods, the equipment maintains exceptional performance and stability.